happening now, an urgent health warning from a local high school. The principal of West Clermont High School is notifying parents about a case of whooping cough. Officials say that a student tested positive for pertussis, also known as whooping cough. It's a contagious respiratory illness that can pose a serious health risk. We're told that the student is being appropriately treated. School officials say that they are working closely with the Clermont County Health Department to follow proper protocols to keep students healthy.